In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram account. After creating your Instagram account, later you have a change of mind and you want to delete it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to tap on these three ellipses on the top right corner. Then continue to tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, continue to tap on account center. This will land you to the Meta account center. Under Meta account center, scroll down until you locate personal details and tap on it. So you have a list of menus under personal details, your contact info, date of birth, identity confirmation, and account ownership and control. Proceed to tap on account ownership and control. Then continue to tap on deactivation or deletion. So in my case, I have a list of accounts associated with this. So whichever one you want to delete it, proceed to tap on it. In this case, I'm going to take this one. Then make sure you toggle delete account on. And a caveat to call out: when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. And once you are comfortable with it, you can proceed to tap on continue. That's it. You have successfully deleted your Instagram account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.